Tired of accidentally moving or deleting your apps? Let's lock your home screen layout so everything stays exactly where you want it. This simple trick can save your home screen from chaos, and I'll show you how to lock and unlock it in seconds. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap Home Screen. Look for Lock Home Screen Layout and toggle this on to enable it. Once done, you may check the apps if it works. And yeah, here it is. By toggling this, apps can't move to other place anymore. Now, if you change your mind and wants to move the apps in a certain place on your home screen, you can just go back to home screen settings and toggle this off. And that's it. I hope this video helps. And if you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.